Hey there, algebra students. Mr. Lawrence here. Like you didn't know. Come on, you should have figured it out by now. It was me. Anyway, I noticed some of you having some trouble with these, doing these square things. And you know what? You're getting bogged down. You're like, what's this x up? Let's stop. Let's make it simple. Let's make it simple. Let's draw a picture. Now, before we do, remember that to find area of a square or rectangle, we like to use the formula of length times width. Or better yet, I like to use base times height. Okay, you understand those are not the definitions of area. But if I have to multiply these two numbers together, the number in this quantity, and I'm going to highlight it. Where is my highlighter? There it is. Okay, the number in this quantity, and I'm going to highlight the number in that quantity, the 4x plus 2. Well, then I can think about this as the length, and this is the width. And this becomes a real easy problem when I do that. All right, first thing I'm going to do is draw my length. There we go, I just drew it. Now, I know my length has to be 3x plus 1 units long. Well, I see two numbers. I see a 3x and I see a 1. So I'm going to make this part 3x long and this part 1 long. And it's a positive 1. Okay? Now, I have to draw my width now. Hold on a second. I don't know if that'll all move for me. Go. Go down. Oh dear, I lost my mouse. Mouse. Uh-oh, we're in trouble. Danger, Will Robinson. Something happened. There's my mouse. Where am I? Somehow I ended up... Ah! There it goes. Sorry about that. Let me move this down. There we go. Give myself some more room to work. And we're back. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the width. Don't make this difficult. Just imitate what I'm doing. I know you don't get it 100% yet. You will with time and practice. So there's my width. How long does my width have to be? Well, 4x plus 2. I'm going to put a little mark. And I'm going to make this side 4x and this piece 2. All right, now I can finish drawing my rectangle. And I'll draw the bottom. And draw the right-hand side there. And everywhere I put a little mark, I'm going to extend that across. Okay? So, now I'm just going to find the area of each of these pieces, each part of the rectangle. I'm going to find the area of this part. Okay? I'm going to find the area of this part. I'm going to find the area of this part. And, of course, I'm going to find the area of this part. Now, once I'm done, I'm going to add those four numbers together. If there are any like terms, I'll combine them. So, 4x times 3x, you know, I was loving to see how in class many of you were getting x squared right, but 4 times 3 is 12. So it's 12x squared. That's the area of the big rectangle. Now I do 4x times 1, which is 4x. I can do 2 times 3x, which is 6x, and then 2 times 1, which is 2. So my problem becomes 12x squared plus 6x plus 4x plus 2. I'm not done because I have to combine like terms. So I'll have 12x squared plus 10x plus 2. Hold on one second. I don't have a pause. I've got to answer the door real quick. Sorry about the delay. I don't have a pause for a video. I'm in the middle of it. I'll talk to you in a minute. Sorry. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Let me get this advertisement out of here. What is going on? My computer's possessed. Where's my mouse? There it is. All right, let me close this so no more advertisements come up. All right, so let's do this one really quick and then we will wrap up this video. So I'm going to draw my length. I'm going to call it what the hootaba? I'm going to ignore that. 7x, and I'll call that 2y. See the 7x and the 2y? All right, and then here, I'm going to put a little mark, and I'm going to call the first part the 3x, and then a negative 4y. Now, it might bother some of you that we're getting like a negative area. We're just doing this for a conceptual understanding of how to multiply these. In reality, you couldn't have a negative area. We'll talk about that more later. It's just to help us build an understanding. All right, so I'm going to multiply the 3x times the 7x, get a 21x squared. I'm going to multiply 3x times 2y, get 6xy. Going to get negative 4y times 7x, negative 28xy. And then negative 4y times 2y will be negative 8y squared. So I have 21x squared minus 28xy plus 6xy. Ooh, I'll bet Angela likes that I did that. I wrote it vertically. Yeah, I can do that. Minus 8y squared. All right, I'm going to combine like terms. What? I don't know what's going on. All right, minus 22xy minus 8y squared, and there you go. All right, that's the video for today. I'm going to quit before the gremlins take over. Mr. Lawrence signing off. Have a good night, everybody.